Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to show notes of your instrument in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where we can find all the instruments we can play, we can find the audio recorder and so on, so that we can get started. So guys, you can go ahead and find the instrument that you want to play and show the notes for. So let's say we have our grand piano right here, or the keyboard, however you want to call it. So this is the keyboard option, which as you can see, now we can get started with recording and playing. So let's go ahead and say we have recorded something and now we want to see the notes that we have played and to show us how we can record again. Basically, what we want to do is go right here into the upper left corner and click on mixing mode. So if you open up mixing mode right here, as you can see, this is now going to open up our track edit mode where we can see all the tracks we have as our audio recorder, we have our grand piano and so on. So you can see here is our grand piano, and what we want to do is go ahead and click tap on the instrument we want to see. Let's say our grand piano right here, another track, and now we have the option that says edit. So go ahead and click on edit. After selecting edit guys, as you can see, this is now going to enable us to see all the notes that we have played on our track right here. As you can see, it's going to show us the green notes and how we can play them again and which keys have been played, and these are your notes right here. But yeah guys, basically on GarageBand mobile, this is the only way that you can do that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.